Okay, I'm J.E.Bergasse, Managing Director, J.E.Bergasse. What we have here today is, I think it's fair to say that everybody will accept that how you used to work yesterday and how you work today are different. Likewise, how you work today is not how you're going to work tomorrow. So how do you position yourself to make sure that you're ready for what's coming? And so to answer that question, Xerox launched a suite of 29 new products earlier this year, at the end of March this year.
Through industry-leading workflow automation, analytics, personalization, security solutions, as well as evolving digital imaging with innovative applications like printing directly on objects, intelligent packaging, and printed electronics, we're helping people work better together, all with one mission, the same one we at Xerox have always had, to set the page free, whatever that page may be.
So I will unlock the machine using my phone, NFC, or I can use my access card.
And these machines really are workplace assistants, because the same way you work with and you don't even think about it, you work with your tablet or your smartphone with apps. So too now with these new devices, it's similar.
I can send a print to an email address, print by Xerox. I will get a response, and then I can go to the machine, print by Xerox, and you can either log in via the username and password, the express PIN code, or I can use my phone to log me in automatically to the application. So I open the application on my phone, I will scan the code, and it will automatically log me into the system. So the machine has apps via the app gallery, and you can download different apps. So you can download the Print by Xerox, the Xerox Easy Translator, that you can scan to Google Drive and print from Google Drive. You can do to all the different cloud storages. There's a document scanning app for DocuShare. You can even get the web browser on the machine.
They've introduced the user interface is slick. It's all swipe with apps on there so that you can create workflows for how you work, so that when you walk up to the machine and you sign in, you will be presented with how you want to see it. And when I walk up to the same machine and I sign in, I will see it with how I want to see it. So it makes us both more productive and machine more user-friendly for both of us.
Nice work, Brother Dominic. Very nice. Thank you. Now we just need 500 more. Translated into 35 languages, personalized for every brother and sister. Oh, and shared across the 7 continents. Excellent. Excellent. Now, where were we?
The apps allow you to do things like language translation. You scan a written document and request translation in any of 35 different languages, and back it comes.
Spreekt Josje? Qué bonito. Mira. Ay, está lindo. Es verdad, Dominic.
Claro que ya Dominic, ¿no? No, it's all dead. You're about to be interested. Never said. Hello?
何がしますかですよ。ご覧ください。
Brother Dominic again, sir.
Ah.
Look at us. I got it. It's wonderful.
It's a miracle.
You have the banking industry, you have the hotels, we have a number of government offices are here. Most all of the industries that operate in St. Lucia are here with us today. We've got a turnout probably about 50 or 55 people, represent about 40, 45 companies. So I'm well pleased.
Our device has an antivirus built in the device.
We have 2 people here with us from Xerox. Gentleman, Mr. Martin Sharp, who is the manager of managed print services, and we have also Mr. Joel Mendoza, who is the Business Development Manager and Country Manager responsible for St. Lucia. It is the first time in a long time that we have had a Xerox event of this magnitude, yes, but I mean I think you'll appreciate it with a revamp of the product portfolio in the way in which they've done it. You know, from the low end all the way up to small business through medium-sized to large scale enterprises, with everybody getting the same sort of look and feel to the piece of equipment. It's major, and it required something like this to make it happen.
Okay, my name is Martin Sharp. I'm the Channel Managed Print Service Business Manager for Xerox Distributor Group, who supports J.E.Bergasse here in St. Lucia. What we're really excited about today's event is our Future of Work events. We're launching 29 new products into the marketplace, which is the biggest product launch in Xerox history. Over 110 years that Xerox has been, providing printing services throughout the world. My role in this is the Managed Print Services Division, which is a strategy which J.E.Bergasse are now accredited and certified to offer here in St. Lucia. Focuses primarily on 4 key areas for businesses: cost management and control, productivity and availability of staff and equipment, environment and sustainability, and ability to give you visibility of your carbon emissions and power consumption and so on and so forth. And last but certainly not least, document security and compliance. So we all of the data is stored in a 27001 secure data cloud, which is banking level encryption.
It's the kind of challenge that inspires us at Xerox every day. Empowering the ever-increasing need to better communicate, connect, and work together has been Xerox's mission from the very beginning.
So basically, if you think about an IT manager who's working in any type of company, whether it be a small, medium, or large organization, his job is not to be doing print-related issues. We're putting toners in machines, clearing jams, and so on and so forth. So what we offer is a solution combined with J.E.Bergasse, his team and staff, along with software, to manage those type of print errors and manage them for you and be proactive and provide productivity back to our staff.
Every day, every moment, Xerox's industry-leading technology, software, and people are positioned at the intersection of analog and digital.
If you think about it, our equipment now is replaced as a workplace assistant. If you think about historically now, without a mobile phone compared to how we do now, the devices need to become the same. We need to give us more accessible to information, print on the fly, bring our own devices, print from our phones, and so on and so forth.
We're helping people work better together, driving better results.